Alright guys, so today will be the first day of me attempting to do 150 push-ups straight with no break, nothing. I have to kill the old version of me to be able to make this happen. I don't know if I'm gonna clip this video or not, if I'm gonna clip it, so therefore I'm gonna be counting each rep. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try for it. It's been such a long time. Honestly, I think like what? 35, almost 2 months since I've done push-ups because I'm not a big fan of it. But you gotta challenge yourself and be uncomfortable. So that's what we're doing here today. You guys will see me. We're gonna see how many we can get. I don't know, but hey, cheer me on. Let's go. I'm a fighter. All right, we're gonna start. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 4, 5, 6, 47, 8, 9, 50, 51, 52. Woo! I feel it. My arms are uneven. That's why I don't like doing push-ups. Okay, 52, 53, 54, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. That's 60. Come on, let's go, baby, let's go. Woo. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 7, it's crazy. I think I got more. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 push-ups, guys. Clean. I don't know.